Hello, friends. Today, I'd like to begin with a line of ancient wisdom from the Caigentan, a 2,300 years ago Eastern classic. 教人一生，无过高，当时岂可从. When teaching someone to do good, don't set the bar so high that it feels out of reach. Make sure it's something they can actually follow. This speaks to a powerful truth, especially when offering advice to our adult children. We often give guidance with the best intentions. But if our words sound too lofty, too idealistic, or too disconnected from real life, we risk sounding more like a philosopher than a parent. And that can close the door to real connection. Part 1, when good advice sounds out of reach. Even the best advice can fall flat if it feels unreachable. Quoting Plato or referencing high-minded ideals might feel noble to us. But to our children who are paying rent, raising kids, or simply trying to survive it can come across as out of touch. When advice feels like it belongs in a book, rather than their actual life, they quietly tune out. In psychology, this is called psychological distance. The higher and more abstract the message, the less likely it is to land. Part 2, 3 psychological keys to advising adult children. So how can we offer advice that actually connects? Here are 3 psychology-backed principles every parent of adult children should remember. 1, respect their autonomy. Your child is no longer a child. They have the right and responsibility to make their own choices. So instead of, you should do this, try, it's your decision, of course. But here's something from my experience that might help. 2, lead with empathetic listening. Before giving advice, show you care enough to listen. Say things like, sounds like work has been tough lately. Then pause. Let them talk. Once they open up, you might say, I know advice can feel heavy sometimes, but if it helps, here's something I went through that might relate. This lowers their defenses and opens their heart. 3, offer suggestions, not standards. Advice should feel like a gift, not a performance review. By your age, we had a house and a family. We had our own struggles too at your age. Here's how we got through it. Take what's useful and leave the rest. This brings your wisdom down to earth where they can actually walk on it. Summary, teach with heart, not height. Let's wrap this up with the core message. When your children become adults, your role shifts. They don't need orders. They don't need perfection. They need presence, listening, and realistic encouragement. Just as Caigentan reminds us, 无过高，当时岂可从. Don't aim too high. Speak in ways they can actually follow. Because love isn't in how high our words reach. It's in how low we're willing to bend to meet them where they are. If this message resonated with you, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. On this channel, we share timeless wisdom and modern psychology for deeper relationships, especially between parents and adult children. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.